Hey everybody, this is Anthony from Into the Darkroom, and this video is going to show you a little bit about how to make some of the extra pages that we didn't show you in the previous video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the Content tab. And the Content tab is a list of all the pages that we've created, and you could see in a previous video we created an About page and we created a Portfolio page. So we're going to go ahead and create some of the other pages, and the first thing we're going to do is click the New button at the bottom, and we are going to create an info list. And an info list is a page that has information that is in a relationship format. So like for an FAQ, it would be a question and an answer. So we're going to go ahead and title it FAQ. I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can actually use this. So I'm going to click FAQ and I'm going to click Create Page, and now you'll see that we have the FAQ page created on the left, and when we click on it we can go ahead and add content. So the entries that we create are the relationships. So I'm going to go ahead and click New, and I'm going to title this as the first question, and I'm going to go ahead and add an answer here, and if I wanted to I can upload an image. So if I click an image that I have ready and I add it in there and I click Create Entry, I'm going to go ahead and come here and create a second question. And so this could be frequently asked questions, this could be packages. So if I wanted to I can title this package 1 and I can make it $300, and I can upload an image that is associated with package 1, and I can type the answer or the information about the package right here and click Create Entry. So we have two items in here, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you what it's starting to formulate and look like. And if you want to look at any page and jump right to it, you can always just click the preview button down here. As long as you've clicked on the image, you can click the preview button, and it's going to go ahead and show us what this is starting to look like. So what you're going to notice here is that we have our questions and then our answers, or our package and our package information. So that's generally how the relationship works. Now you don't have to title this FAQ, or you could make multiple pages that answer the questions that you need, whether it's FAQ or how my services work or what my packages are and so on. So if you were to go to the website right now, you just created that FAQ page, there is nowhere that you can actually find it. So we're going to go ahead and go to the sitemap, and we're going to add a new button called FAQ, and we're going to link to that FAQ page we created, and we're going to click Save. And I'm going to go ahead and just move that up in the list, and I'm going to go back to the website and I'm going to refresh it, and you're going to see in this top right corner that our FAQ button pops up. And there you have it. So now you can actually get to it. Remember, every time you create a page you can't get to it unless you have a navigation item. So let's go back and let's create a different kind of page. I'm going to go ahead and click Content at the top, and I'm going to click New. And the last page that we haven't created is the gallery list. Now the gallery list is kind of an interesting page. It's used to help us distribute and find information really quickly. So it lays big links out on a grid, and I'm going to go ahead and title this. I'm gonna title this homepage because I'm gonna make this into my homepage, and I'm gonna set this as my homepage right here, and I'm going to click Create Page. Now this page is interesting because you can use it to set up different portfolio links, or you can use it just to get people to information really quickly. So we're going to create entries, and we're going to do this really quickly so I can kind of show you what it starts to look like. Actually, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click Settings, and we're going to create 3 columns and 3 rows. So you're going to have 9 boxes that appear in a grid. So let's go back and create entries, click New, and we're going to just title this portfolio, and I'm going to upload an image that's associated with my portfolio, and I'm going to link it to a page I created, which is going to be my portfolio page, and I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to click Create Entry. The next box I want to make is maybe Contact Me, and I'm going to go ahead and click Upload, and I'm going to pick an image, and I'm going to link it to the contact page, and click Save, and click Create Entry. And so I have my second item there, and I'm going to create one more for now and show you what it's going to start to look like. I'm going to click New, and I'm going to type in FAQ, and I'm going to click upload. I'm going to grab an image, open. I'm going to link it to my FAQ page, click save, and create entry. And now I have 3 items out of the 9. So let's go ahead and preview this page and see what it starts to look like. And so when this page opens up, I've only filled out 3 of the 9 boxes, but you can see that this one says portfolio, this one says contact me, and this one says FAQ. Now, what's great about this is if you have a portfolio and you have different types of portfolios all on the same site, so if you have wedding, boudoir, children's photography, family photography, pets, and you want to put them all right here, this is a great way to do that. If you only have 6, you can go into that settings tab and you can change the settings tab, so you can change the columns and the rows. If you only have 3, you can make it a 3x1, and you can decide how that looks. But this is a great page to just make into whatever you need it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and start clicking and showing you how you what happens when you click. So when you roll over, it gives you the title, and when you click, it takes you to that page that you clicked on. And then I can always click back and get back to that page. So that's how you make the page the gallery list page that we have. And for the most part, those are all our pages. Now, our home page that we created, this page, doesn't actually have a button. So we're going to go ahead and go to the sitemap, and we are going to create a button called Home. And I'm going to link it to that gallery list page because I want people to land there when they get into the site. So I'm going to click Home Page, and I'm going to click Save. And now it's linked over there, and I want to move this up. So I clicked on it, and I'm clicking the arrows down here to move it to the top, which is all the way on the left, and I'm going to go ahead and click New. I'm sorry, I'm going to go ahead and leave it there, and I'm going to go back to the site and refresh it. And you're now going to see the Home button located on the left, first button there. So there you have it. We've gone through and we've created just about every page and worked through some of the different scenarios. And if you have any other questions, we're going to be creating more videos. So keep watching, and thanks for watching this video.